Hi, my name is Yuri Martinchenko.
I'm Paul Grunning.
And I'm Anna Pablo.
And today we're going to show you how to create a simple website using Ruby on Rails.
We assume that you already have your environment set up, but if not, you can go to rubyonrails.org for more information.
Ruby is very popular because of its fast speed of prototyping and expandability using gems.
Rails is one of the most popular gems that Ruby has to offer.
Many popular websites use Ruby on Rails, such as Twitter, GitHub, and Hulu.
Ruby on Rails is a framework that offers many useful and easy-to-use features such as Active Record and Ajax.
Active Record is Ruby's way to connect and communicate with a database such as MySQL.
Rails has built-in functions that write Ajax for the programmer.
And now Paul Grunning will show you how to create a simple Ruby application.
Alright, hi everyone. As Yuri mentioned, I'll be showing you how to create a very simple Ruby on Rails application. To start this, we type Rails, and then the name of your application, which I will name mine, Rails Tutorial. So everything that was just created was actually the Model View Controller framework within inside Ruby on Rails. And if we hop in there and go to the app directory, we will see controllers, helpers, models, and views. I'll focus on controllers and views. So basically the controller talks to the backend, and then it will tell the view what it should display. So all the views are HTML files, and today we will be creating a home page and an about page. So if we hop into views, make directory pages, and hop into pages, and then create home.html.erb. We're going to make this very simple, so it's just going to be header 1. This is my home page, end header 1, and we will eventually have an about page, so I might as well link the about page to the home page. And we do that with a Ruby command. So % means there will be a Ruby command, equals means I'm going to display something within the Ruby command. So link to Ruby command, then display go to about. And we say we want to use the about path. I'll explain that in 1 second. So save and close that. Then we copy the home page to about.html.erb and open that up. And within here we're just going to change home to say about, and this will say go back home, and the path should be home path. So our views are complete, but we do not have a controller that knows where our views are. So we go back 2 directories, and then we go into the controllers directory, and we create a pages_controller.rb. So this is a Ruby class, so we say class pages controller extends application controller, and then we define home, end, define about, end, and then end the class. And our controller is complete, and now we go on to what about path and home path are. So we go back 2 directories, and we go into config, and then we open up routes.rb. So routes is where we define all of our pathing. So we say map.home, so we're mapping the home page to /home, and the controller that will handle this will be the one we just created, which is the pages controller, and the action it will use or act upon will be on the home page. So if we copy this, paste it, change everything to about, and now we have both of our routes completed. Quit out of here, and if we go back 1 directory and we type script/server, it will launch our localhost port 3000. It will launch our website on that localhost port 3000. So go over here, refresh. That's the default Rails application, but we also created /home, and there it is. Go to about, we have /about, and we can go back towards home. So there you have it, a very simple Ruby on Rails application.